Your first memory probably doesn't go back past age 3 or 4. You don't remember being a newborn. You don't remember learning to walk or talk. But your brain was working the whole time. It was recording everything, and then it forgot almost all of it. This is called infantile amnesia. You went through the biggest change of your entire life. You went from a helpless baby to someone who could think and talk. But you remember almost nothing. Babies are not stupid. A newborn can't speak or walk. But its brain is working harder than it ever will again. In just the first year, your brain made more connections than it will make in the next 30 years combined. You were learning language. You were learning how things work. You were learning to recognize faces. And then you forgot it all. Scientists have found something surprising. Babies actually have really good memories. A 2-year-old can remember things from weeks or months ago. But around age 3 or 4, something happens. The memories disappear. Why would your brain record everything just to delete it? The answer is how memory works. Memory is not like a video recording. It is like a story your brain rebuilds every time you remember something. And the way your brain rebuilds memories changes as you get older. When you are a baby, your brain is still building the part that creates memories of your own life. The part that helps you understand you are one person who exists over time. A newborn doesn't know I or me. A 1-year-old is just starting to understand they are separate from their mother, without understanding that you are one continuous person. Memories don't stay. They get recorded in your brain, but you can't access them. They don't feel like your memories. Here's what happens. Memories made when you're a baby are stored one way. As you grow up and your brain develops, it stores memories a different way. The old way and the new way don't match. The old memories can't be read by your new brain. They get locked away. But here's something stranger. A 4-year-old does understand they are one continuous person. A 4-year-old can make real memories, but you still don't remember being 4. You don't remember your 4th birthday or starting school. Scientists call this the childhood amnesia offset. Most people have no real memories from before age 3.5 and very few before age 7. One researcher followed kids over many years. She asked 4-year-olds about their memories. They told detailed stories about things that happened. Years later, those same kids couldn't remember any of it. The memories were gone. Why? Language. As you learn to talk better, your brain changes how it stores memories. The parts of your brain that stored pre-language memories get covered over. The old memories are still physically there, but your brain can't read them anymore. Your earliest experiences didn't disappear. They just became hidden. They shaped how your brain works during the most important years of your life. They changed how you learn to love people, handle feelings, and understand how the world works. Every skill you have comes from being a baby. You just don't remember it. There's actually something nice about this. The most important learning of your life happened without you trying. You learned to be human without any effort. You picked up language, how to behave, and how to feel things just by living. Your brain then forgot all the work, leaving you with just the skills. So tonight, when you see a baby, remember this: that tiny person is learning more than you learn in any full year now. They will forget almost all of it, and that's exactly right. Their job is to learn. Your job is to remember their story for them until they are old enough to remember things themselves. You can't remember being a baby. But everything you are right now exists because of what you learned before you could remember anything.